Colomba
is the feminine form of the word
Colombo.
the name given to the entire family of pigeons and doves. It frequently occurs in Christian literature and artwork as a symbol of innocence and purity.
Colomba.
A common Easter symbol is that of the
Colomba della pace.
peace dove, usually depicted holding a
Ramoscello d'ulivo.
olive branch in its beak.
Da sempre la colomba è considerata un simbolo di purezza e innocenza.
The dove has always been considered a symbol of purity and innocence. Colomba also has a couple of figurative translations, one being innocent person and the other a pacifist. A counterpart of the well-known Italian Christmas cakes
Panettone,
and
Pandoro,
is the
Colomba pasquale,
or
Colomba di Pasqua.
a traditional Easter cake in the shape of a dove. Invented in Milano in the 1930s by the company Motta, it's the centerpiece on nearly all tables in Italian households over the Easter period. In non-religious and non-poetic contexts, the most common word for dove is
Tortora,
along with its diminutive
tortorella. Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.